chefs, it's your girl Chef J, and I got some exciting stuff going on. I purchased a power air fryer, and I'm so excited to get into this kitchen and start cooking with it and showing you guys some recipes that you too can do. So let's not wait, let's jump right in and see how this thing rocks out. Ciao, y'all ready to do this? So this is my little setup. There's the air fryer, the olive oil, my seasoning, my spoon. And so like I said, I have the seasoning, my spoon, my tongs. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of olive oil on the fish. I know the air fryer is supposed to eliminate oil, so I figured what the hey, if I'm gonna put it on there, it's gonna fall off anyway. But I needed something for the seasoning to stick to a little bit, you feel me? So I have some fresh ground lemon pepper, where you can find at your Trader Joe's. It's so bomb. Like, it's not like the powdered one, it's like super fresh. It's crazy. So I mix that with some Cajun seasoning, and I'm gonna sprinkle that all over the fish, and I'm just gonna pat it in there just to make sure, you know, it's really on. Don't want it falling off in the air fryer. And here we have it, the madame of the evening. It's kind of cute. Look at it, little basket and whatnot. It looks like a Fry Daddy basket. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but that's what it reminded me of. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put the salmon in there, and these are some thicky salmons, okay? These salmons were thick. This girl was out there in that ocean eating, okay? She was thick, but it was just a good amount of space in the air fryer. So I was very well pleased to see that. So I'm gonna just pop her right back in there. Go on, girl, get cozy. And she pops on, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. You turn it on, it has different options. That was fries, that's chicken, that's steak, and then fish is the option. And it's for 10 minutes and at 350. And it does what it does all on its own. There it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Because I was nosy, I just wanted to see what it was doing. I opened it about 5 minutes. Ooh, child, look at that. Ooh, girl. I tried it off camera, you guys. It was so good, so juicy, so flavorful. I can't wait for you guys to try. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.